you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, and happy November, you guys. So today I'm doing a DIY on wallet envelopes. Like, you can use your regular wallet. Men's, you can do this too as well. Get yourself a checkbook, put these things in there and go. I've learned this method from Dave Ramsey, and I am so happy to share my whole envelope system with you guys. I did kind of forget not to put the envelopes together, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you go about making them. It's pretty quick, easy. You can definitely download free printables on Pinterest.com. That's Pinterest.com. You can get all kinds of ideas on different DIYs on there as well. And then, like I said, it's free to download. You can pretty much download whatever type of envelope you want. If you are on a low budget, you can definitely use regular envelopes from Dollar Tree or the 99-cent only stores and color code them, and you got your own envelope system. So you guys, I normally do this when bill time come around, when holiday time come around, when rent time come around, when grocery time come around, and when I need to buy stuff for the house. So you are gonna see how I build my wallet, my envelope wallet system, and I'm going to take you step by step. But like I said, I did go ahead and build these wallets before I can even show you guys. So I hope that you guys love this vlog, and I hope you guys are loving this DIY mood that I'm in right now. It's just crazy. But anywho, I love you guys as always, and make sure you keep watching so you can see how I build my envelope system. Bye.